The menu for today is going to be crispy beef tacos with white onion, lettuce, sharp cheddar cheese, and then we have rice, beans, cheese enchiladas. We have salsas, and we have chips and guacamole. Simple, but tasty. We got to wet the tortillas so we can fold the beef in there to make the taco. It takes about an hour to put these tacos together. The meat for the tacos. I use chicken bouillon, garlic, and little pepper. That's it. Lots of garlic though, for the flavor. My grandmother used to do when she was chefing at my uncle's restaurant. She'd make like 150 of these. I used to watch her do that. She says, one day you'll do that. Oh, really, Grandma? Frying the old tacos here. Probably about 2 minutes on each side. This is a perfect heat. You don't want it too hot because it'll burn. And you don't want to make them too crispy because then they'll break apart. You got to be some crisp and a little soft, but not quite. The killer is taking these out because the damn tacos are hot, you know. You gotta let them cool a little bit. Cool them out. Gouda. I tried to get more of it, but they didn't have any. So I got the cheddar. English cheddar. I needed a sharp cheese. Everything takes time, there's no shortcuts. After this, we fill them with white onion, lettuce, cheese. Actually, for me, they taste better plain. Just lettuce, tomato, cheese, onion, sauce. Some people like to put sour cream, guacamole, and all that. It's up to them, but you can taste the meat, the corn tortilla, the cheese, everything kind of in layers. Rice, Mexican rice. Onion, and then I'm going to put a little garlic powder in there, and then the chicken stock, and a little tomato sauce. It's my measuring cup. Usually I have a measuring device. You gotta see if it has the right amount of salt. Yeah.
How do you know when the rice is ready?
When it's fluffy. This is for the enchilada sauce. California chili powder and paprika, garlic powder. We're taking the quick way. Normally you would dehydrate the poblanos or the guajillos. We're doing it the fast way. Chicken bouillon stock, California chili powder, paprika, garlic powder, and I put in a tortilla to thicken it up. Instead of using flour or cornstarch, we use the flour tortilla. It's perfect. I'm going to heat it up and it'll thicken a little bit. Okay, that's done. Start making it in here. You don't want them to stick. Onion and cheese. Put that over there.
That shit's fluffy, huh? See how you hit that fluff on there?
Time to check in.
I'm gonna show you how to dress my shit up. I go hard. A little something like that on there. And that's how I do it though, you know? Everyone's different. Nothing to it but to do it.
Well, I just want to say I was honored to come here and to be able to provide a nice lunch for great staff. I hope they enjoy it. Mexican food, very simple but tasty. Thank you.
Pop's Crispy Tacos. I hit mine with 2 sauces, the red and the green. The definition of cozy, right there. That's comfortable, that's happy, that's nostalgic, that's childhood. Shout out to Pops. I'll try to take this top half out though.